Change management and end-user training is the most common root cause of ERP failure. Organisations with ERP failures tend to overinvest in the technology aspects of their transformations, whilst underinvesting in critical human and operational components. This is not an IT or a business project you're embarking on. It's a people project, and your staff are the drivers for the change that you want to achieve. A robust change and training plan is going to be vital as you embark on your ERP transformation journey.
The first thing that's really important to remember about how to plan your end-user training adoption strategy is that the program behind the end-user training that you need to do had a business case tied to it. It had an outcome and a result that was committed to by your business and by your management team. If you don't consider early enough or within your overall program how to manage the adoption of the outcome of your new system or program, it's kind of like running the race without crossing the finish line. Your impact and your result is likely to not necessarily be achieved in the way that you'd intended or in the way that you'd estimated or communicated. You'll have changes within a system, but that change is experienced by a person.